We are back. Bad news, bad news. I was driving, all the lights went on the dash. Temperature gauge went up. Yeah, engine shut off. So we are in the vehicle. We're gonna drive out of the shop. Actually, before we leave, before we get to the road here, I'm going to scan the engine computer. So let's drive out of the shop. Cameraman Kyle is telling me that the light is not gonna be okay, so I hope it's gonna be fine. All right, so, man, I love this car. It drives awesome, man. I'm gonna be like, Mr. Customer, your car will be ready in 2 months. So I can drive it. It's clean too. All right, so let me scan it. I'm gonna scan it before we go on a test drive, and then I'm gonna scan it again when we get back, and then we're gonna wrap up this video. I'm sure we won't have any codes, but I'm just checking and double checking like we always do it here. Now, there may not be any codes because I believe the battery was disconnected when Robin was taking the engine out. Okay, we have one code, P13B0-11. It says the output for onboard electrical system switchover has a short circuit to ground. Okay. Now, this doesn't have anything to do with the engine that we installed, so I'm not going to worry about that. And it's not causing the check engine light to be on. So now that he has put a remanufactured engine on this vehicle, I told him that as long as he continues to do his regular maintenance or preventive maintenance on time, he can keep this vehicle for another 5 or 6 years, or even more. Yeah. Yeah, maybe the next thing he will do 2 or 3 years from now will be the transmission. Transmission will go out, you know. But if he keeps servicing it at the right intervals, he should be fine. Now, the owner of this vehicle lives far away. I think he towed this vehicle to our shop. They drove about 4 hours, if I remember correctly. Yeah, he lives in PA. So I told him I would love to maintain your vehicle for you. I can keep track of all the fluid change and everything, but you're far away. He was like, I'll keep bringing my car to you. I said, perfect. Please keep coming. Guys, I can't thank you guys enough. To all of you that are bringing your vehicles here for service, I'm so grateful. I can't thank you guys enough. So thank you for bringing your vehicles here. So keep bringing them. Tell your friends, tell everybody you know about us. I really appreciate it. Now, we didn't erase any codes. We got no codes on the generic side of the tool. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clear all these codes. Okay, and then we're gonna go on a test drive, because when this vehicle was brought to us, the check engine light was not on. Do you remember, Kyler? Was the check engine light on this one?
I don't remember.
It was brought here a little while ago, but
did we film the diagnosis?
I don't think so. We were going to, but Robin started taking stuff apart already.
I don't remember.
Yeah, no, I don't think the check engine light was on. It was knocking. It was just that knock.
Right.
Yeah, check engine light wasn't on. So. All right, let's go. Sweet. You ready to go on a test drive, Kyler? All right, let's do it. Let's drive the fancy car. Let me put the scan tool back here. The fancy car. I like Mercedes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Someday when I grow up, I'll buy one.
Grow up.
Maybe someday when I grow up, I might buy one. Yeah, I like them. They're nice cars. I like them. I don't mind them. Like Mercedes, BMW, you know, German cars, they're good cars. If you maintain them properly and you use original parts every time you service them. We have a lot of projects in the shop right now. We're not gonna go far. Carlo, do you remember our test driving route?
You know what, Old Frederick Road?
Yeah.
There's some road work on it right now. I don't know if you want to go down there though.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't want to go up this way because the road is so narrow. Maybe let's just go straight, like towards the highway, and then we can turn around. Yeah, man, this thing, oof, runs great. I'm checking the temperature gauge right now. Temperature gauge is good. No lights on the dash. Transmission shifts well. Yeah. This is what happens when you use OEM parts and when you follow service info to put everything back together. Okay, I just love the way we do things. You know, we follow service info, we torque everything, we use, you know, Mercedes Benz original parts, all the fluids we use, everything OEM. So yeah, you get the results like this. I love it. We're gonna have another happy customer. The holidays are coming up. Any fun plans for the holidays, Kyler?
For me?
Yeah,
I don't think so. I think the family's coming over for Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving, yeah.
The whole family, which is kind of crazy.
The whole family?
Yeah.
Wow. Are you gonna cook for them?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Guys, Kyler's a good cook. Kyler used to be a chef. Kyler, you need to cook for us a little bit more. Yeah, Kyler cooked for us once when we were at Jack's shop.
Yeah.
It was awesome. Yeah.
That was a good time.
Yeah. The steak was good.
That was good.
Although Kyler doesn't eat meat, but
No.
the steak that he made, dude, I don't know. You should cook for us again,
I
man.
know, we
Come
should.
on.
We should. A little
Yeah.
dinner.
We should have a little dinner at the shop. Yeah, Kyler is a good cook. Yeah. I'm not just saying it because he's here, okay? He cooks very well. He's good. Good cook. Thanksgiving is next week, so
Oh my gosh, it is.
yeah. Man, the year is almost
Yeah,
over.
I can't believe it.
2025 is coming to an end. It's December. It's December already.
It's insane.
Almost.
Oh my gosh.
In a few days, a few weeks, I guess. Yeah. What would you say of this year? You think it was a good year?
I think it was a good year.
A good year?
I had a good year.
Yeah. That was a good year. It was a good year for us too.
Yeah.
Moved into a bigger shop.
That's true.
You know, we have more space now. Carol has got an office now,
I know,
fancy
it's-
office.
Whew.
You know.
Can't believe it.
We
Can't
have-
believe I've almost been here a year.
Yeah, almost. Yeah, you've been here almost a year. We got more lifts. You know, we passed 100,000 subscribers
Yeah,
this year.
yeah,
So
it's a good year.
yeah, good year. We have a lot to be grateful for. Yeah, we have more customers, more people like us, and they come to us. So yeah, we can't complain. So we're grateful. I am grateful. Yeah, so this is good. Again, like I said, we don't have to go far. Let me see if I can turn around somewhere up here. Yeah, my man Pete is going to be very happy because he's been very patient with us because we've had this car for a little while. We had to wait almost 3 weeks, I think, to get the engine. And then, you know, all the other things we had to go through to get this done. So the owner was very patient. He told us, he said, Dio, you know, take your time. I know you guys will do a great job, so take your time. Do it well. When you're done, call me. So when I get back to the shop, my man Steve can't wait. Steve is like, can I call him right now? I said, no, wait. We gotta test drive it first. All right, guys, so I don't think we have to keep you on as we are driving back. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna drive back to the shop. Once I get back to the shop, I'll bring you guys back up so we can wrap up this video. This is good, okay? I like how this is driving. So we're just turning around. So now we're driving back to the shop. So I will bring you guys once we get back to the shop, and then we will wrap up this video. We are back at the shop. Everything is good. The car is running well. Who is that? Someone with the trailer. All right, so we are back at the shop, guys. The car is running well. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna pull a prank on Robin. Okay, so keep filming. Okay, let me turn it off. Do I have the key? Let me go find Robin. Okay, you ready? Let's go outside. We are back. Bad news. Bad news. I was driving. All the lights went on the dash. Temperature gauge went up. Yeah. Engine shut off. So I had to like pull over. I pulled over, waited a little bit, and then came back. Yeah. Yeah.
Not just be messy with us again.
Like really bad.
Oh, shit.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Don't do that to the Rasta man, man. Don't do the Rasta man.
Oh man, I probably didn't look too serious because Gavin was already starting to pick it up. It's like yeah.
You're doing way more bad.
I'm telling you. It runs great. Yeah, good job, brother. Good job. Yeah.
Thank you very
This is awesome. Runs awesome. Runs awesome. Yeah. No lights on the dash.
No lights on.
Nothing came on. Okay, so I was just kidding.
You know, give thanks to you.
Yeah.
And give thanks to Father Keith.
Yeah.
Blessing you.
There you go.
Bless us.
Yeah. Give thanks to God,
Yes,
and,
give God-
and give thanks to the team, to you, to
Yeah.
Kyler, everybody here, to
absolutely.
our customers for supporting us. You know, yeah. So this is awesome. We're gonna wash it off. Gavin, when you get a chance, can you wash it later today? The car, yeah. Yeah, let's wash it off. He already cleaned the engine bay. Yeah, let's just wash off the outside, and then we can call Pete so he can come pick up his vehicle. So, any last words? This is the first time you've done this,
Yes,
right?
yes.
How was it?
It was good.
Good?
It was good.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Get me out of my comfort zone, bring back some memories and good stuff. And
Yeah, yeah.
Happy to be in this great, awesome team.
Nice.
To do my best.
Nice.
And not be good,
Yeah.
but be great.
Be great, yeah.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
we strive to be great over here. You know, we are not good. We're striving to be great, and you did great. I knew you could do it. So,
Thank you.
yeah, you delivered once again.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you. I
sir.
appreciate
Yes,
it. Yes, congratulations. Keep it up.
Welcome.
Everybody, we are happy, and I know we're gonna have a happy customer. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Cameraman Kyler, thank you for your awesome work. We appreciate you. Guys, if you're a subscriber coming back to watch this, I appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any comments, questions, criticism, leave them in the comment box. My man Robin, once again, keep it up.
You're welcome.
Everybody, see you next time.